In the meantime, I want to take this time to tell you about another big trial that we're tracking. It's one that's just around the corner. It's down in Florida. It involves the murder of a 13-year-old girl.
I want you things to take my soul.
That is 14-year-old Aiden Fucci appearing very confused during his pretrial hearing on murder charges. A stark contrast to his demeanor while in the back of a police car after being questioned about the disappearance of his classmate, 13-year-old Tristyn Bailey.
Having fun in a cop car.
Yep. Tristyn's mother reported her missing back on Mother's Day 2021.
We received a call at our 911 communication center from Tristyn Bailey's family reporting Tristyn missing. And we verified that the last time Tristyn had been seen was last night or on Saturday night, early Sunday morning, just after midnight by her family members.
But Tristyn didn't remain missing for long.
Tristyn Bailey's body that was actually located by a person in the neighborhood, a citizen in the neighborhood, and actually called 911, called the sheriff's office. We went out there and actually processed the body and recovered the body.
Her body was found 6 hours after she was reported missing. She had been stabbed 114 times. Police quickly began to investigate, piecing together a timeline of what happened to her.
She goes out, she meets up with some friends. Apparently, according to investigators, Aiden Fucci is there.
Surveillance video showed Tristyn and Aiden walking east in their neighborhood at 12:15 a.m. on May 9th, 2021. Then, a little over an hour later, Aiden can be seen running west, away from where he and Tristyn had been walking a short time earlier. And by 3:31 a.m., Aiden returns home with his shoes in his hands.
Our investigative team is collecting all those leads and processing those leads.
Investigators quickly narrowed in on Aiden Fucci as a suspect and searched his home, finding a Buck brand knife sheath and various articles of clothing with blood on them, including a pair of jeans Aiden's mother had tried to clean in the sink.
We actually have arrested a suspect by the name of Aiden Fucci.
Fucci was arrested at 3:30 a.m. on May 10th, 2021. He has been charged with first-degree murder, and prosecutors have announced they intend to try him as an adult.
All right, folks, take a look. Trial date, that is Monday, February 6th. They'll start with jury selection. They move fast down in Florida. Of course, you'll see all the big moments here on closing arguments, and Court TV cameras will be inside that courtroom. In the meantime, Matt Johnson, Court TV, crime and justice correspondent with us, who will be covering this for us. Great to see you, Matt, back at the mothership. For this case, who do we expect to be taking the stand? Who's going to be testifying?
Hey, Vinny, nice to see you. Great job down there in South Carolina with the Murdaugh trial. This next big trial that we're covering, wow, it's going to be a lot of classmates of Aiden Fucci, and they're going to be talking about a lot of disturbing things that he was telling them leading up to this murder of this beautiful young girl, 13 years old, Tristyn, right there. Aiden Fucci's best friend, likely to take the stand. He and Aiden called her that night, lured her to their house, and then they were hanging out before he left with her alone. So we're going to hear from him. We're going to hear from Trey's girlfriend. Aiden could be violent, that's what she said. She told police that he wanted to murder somebody, that he had 2 pet knives that he called Picker and Poker. Fucci's girlfriend, who said that he would tell her that he heard voices in his head that wanted him to kill somebody. There's that. And then also, sadly, we're going to hear from Tristyn Bailey's family, who searched for her. They were the last ones to see her. And they posted this on social media not too long ago, approaching this trial. And it's this statement right here: a trial in which we have to painfully sit through and listen to the event of the crime and brace for whatever argument the defense counsel makes to explain or create doubt in his actions. It's just not right. We really don't know what the defense in this case is going to be, Vinny, but they really have been trying to postpone this case, even trying to postpone it this week, and that was denied by the judge. Right here, denied. We're not going to let you postpone it because you want a 12-panel jury instead of 6.
All right. Speaking of the jury, tell us a little bit about jury selection.
Jury selection, it could take a couple days. It begins on Monday, 9 o'clock. Again, a lot of press in this particular case, but that hasn't stopped counties across the nation from impaneling a jury that can be impartial. That's the only question that they really care about, right? Well, in this particular case down in Florida, the judge has ruled that there will be a 6-panel jury instead of 12. Again, the defense wanted 12, but because it's not a death penalty case and it involved a minor at the time of the crime, they're pushing forward with 6. So it'll be interesting again to see how long it'll take to get this jury, but we're going to be there for it, Vinny. We're going to be there for all of those major statements, all the evidence, and whatever defense they're going to put up in this case.
All right, Matt Johnson, we'll see you next week down in Florida. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.